Hello and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to GDMFX European Session Market Outlook. You're with Martin Panev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst. Starting as usual with the US markets. Basically, US main indexes were little to no changed over the last trading session. And there are only a few triggers from the calendar to encourage the DOW and the NASDAQ price action. We are ahead of quite interesting on calendar events week, and we are to see US GDP preliminary and the consumer confidence tomorrow. By that time, the market economics will release its services and manufacturing outlook, as well as some information on the 3 and the 6 bill auctions. Moving along to the European markets, starting with the German DAX 30, which has kept the uptrend and added another almost 250 points on this last trading session and today already. As usual, strictly followed by the French CAC 40, which has gained another 150 points. We saw some good numbers in the calendar on Friday, but this week will be full of such with regards to the euro as currency and its rivals, of course. We start with unemployment in Switzerland for the last quarter, and then the German IFO will start printing its expectations and current reports. The preliminary German GDP data is also due tomorrow, and we will also see the Swiss, the Italian, the Spanish, the Portuguese, and the Canadian, and also the British GDP reports this week. There will be also CPI major reports and unemployment and employment for the world's biggest economies, along with a quite volatile for the euro Thursday. In Britain, the FTSE 100 advanced 71, almost 72 points to 6,750. Longest weekly gain since March 2013, and the pound has lost some more weight against its main rivals. Moving along to Asian markets. The Asian markets have added some strength to their last levels. China's stocks and bonds rallied, sending the 10-year yield down by the most since 2008. After the central bank unexpectedly cut interest rate. Interbank lending rates dropped and the yuan slid the most in 2 weeks. China's central bank said its surprise move to cut interest rates for the first time since 2012 is designed to help small firms and protect depositors instead of all-out monetary easing. The Hong Kong Hang Seng added 460 points, which is almost 2%. Taking a quick look at the Japanese Nikkei 225 and the Topix indexes, both gained points over the last trading session, and this week is quite full of data to boost the Japanese yen price action. The markets are on bank holiday today in Japan, but the BOG will print its last meeting minutes. And then we'll be talking about the Japanese yen again on Thursday. Moving along to commodities, the S&P 500 has added some more to its levels, and the main commodities were on an upbeat last session. Gold gained some $7 per troy ounce on the lower interest rate in China, and West Texas Intermediate is also having some bullish thoughts for the upcoming week, and rose from a third day amid signs that Iran will seek an output cut at OPEC's meetings this week, and after China unexpectedly reduced interest rates. West Texas Intermediate also extended gains in New York. The futures climbed as much as 0.6% in London. Iranian oil minister might propose that the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries will trim supply by 1 million barrels per day when he meets with the Saudi Arabia's Ali Al-Naimi before the group gathers on November 27. This is according to Iran's state-run Mehr news agency. China cut borrowing costs for for the first time since July 2012 as the world's second biggest oil consumer stepped up to support for its economy. That was all from me from today. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye.